Hello everyone. International Scientific Research and Publications is providing innovation awards. Let us know who can nominate for the awards. Universities, colleges, higher educational institutions, schools, coaching institutes, academics and research scholars, corporate and industry, international organizations and associations, consultants, startups, etc. If you have any other doubts or queries, you can contact us through this WhatsApp number or mail us through this mail ID. Thanks for watching. Academy. In today's video, we are going to see about the list of document types covered by Scopus. There are 13 document types which will be covered by Scopus, and let us discuss about it. First one, which is article. The article is original research or opinion. Articles in peer-reviewed journals are usually several pages in length, most often subdivided into sections like abstract, introduction, materials and methods, results, conclusions, discussions and references, etc. However, case reports, technical and research notes and short communications are also considered to be articles and may be as short as one page in length. So, an article will be one page in length and it covers conclusions, discussions, references, abstract, introduction, etc. So, these topics are covered by an article. An article is a original research or an opinion. So, this article is covered by Scopus, and let's move on to the next one, which is AIP, article in press, which is the accepted article made available online before the official publication. And the third one, which is book, a whole monograph or the entire book. Book type is assigned to the whole. Additionally, for books with individual chapters, each chapter along with a general item summarizing the book is also indexed with the source type book. And the next one, the fourth one, which is chapter. A book chapter is a complete chapter in a book or a book series volume where the item is identified as a chapter by a heading or a section indicated. So here you can able to understand that a book chapter is nothing but a complete chapter of a book which is addressed by a subtitle or a title with a content. And let's move on to the fifth one, which is conference paper. A conference paper is an original article reporting data presented at a conference or a symposium. Conference papers are of any length reporting data from a conference with the exception of conference abstracts. Conference papers may range in length and content from full papers and published conference summarizers to short items as short as one page in length. And the sixth one, which is data paper. Data papers are researchable or searchable metadata documents describing an online accessible data set or a group of data sets. The intent of a data paper is to offer descriptive information on the related data sets, focusing on the data collection, distinguishing features, access and potential reuse rather than information on data processing and analysis. And the seventh one, which is editorial. Editorial is nothing but a summary of several articles or provides editorial opinions or news. So the editorial will provide a opinion about some content or a research article or a news. And editorials are typically identified as an editorial, introduction, leading article, preface or foreword, and are usually listed at the beginning of the table of contents. So editorial is listed on the beginning of the table of contents. And the eighth one is erratum. Erratum is a report of an error, which is an error, correction or a retraction of a previously published paper. Errata are short items citing errors in, corrections to or retractions of a previously published article in the same journal to which a citation is provided. And the ninth one, which is a letter. Letter to or correspondence with the editor. Letters are individual letters or replies. Each individual letter or reply is processed as a single item. And the 10th one, which is note. Note, discussion or a commentary. Notes are short items that are readily suited to other item types. They may or may not share characteristics of other item types such as author, affiliation and references. Discussions and commentaries that follow an article are defined as notes and considered to be the items in their override. And notes also include questions and answers as well as comments on the other articles. In trade journals, notes are generally shorter than half a page in length. And let's move on to the 11th one, which is retracted article. Published articles that the authors or the publisher has requested to retract. Articles with a publisher retraction note will be updated to a document type retracted. So the documents having the retracted note will be updated as a document type as retracted. So they will update the document into retracted type of document, and usually these articles are indicated with the words retracted or retraction. I think you have understand. Let's move on to the next topic or the next type, which is a review. A significant review of original research also includes conference papers. Reviews typically have an extensive bibliography. Educational items that review specific issues within the literature are also considered to be reviews. As non-original articles, reviews lack the most typical sections of original articles such as materials and methods and results. Then the last one, which is short survey. Short or mini review of original research. So short survey is nothing but a short or a mini review of the original research paper. Short surveys are similar to reviews, but usually they are shorter, which means it does not contain more than a few pages and with a less extensive bibliography. So in this video we had discussed about the document types covered in Scopus. Let us recap it. Which one? First one is article, second one article in press, third one book, fourth one chapter, fifth one conference papers, and sixth one data paper, and the seventh one is editorial, and the eighth one is erratum, and the ninth one is letter, 10th one is note, 11th one is retracted article, 12th one is review, and the 13th one, which is the last one, is a short survey. I think this video will be helpful for you to understand the type of documents covered by Scopus. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon.